Have you ever wondered how do people become irresistibly charismatic and influential? Robert Greene's The Art of Seduction explores this question, offering a fascinating look into the psychology of attraction, persuasion, and power. The book takes inspiration from history, literature, and philosophy to identify 24 seduction techniques and categorize personalities into different archetypes like the siren, the charmer, the rake. It's about understanding human behavior and mastering the art of influence. One thing I found interesting is how Greene frames seduction as a game of strategy. He delves into the subtle ways people build, allure, captivate others, and gain influence, not just in relationships but in all aspects of life. While some parts of the book might feel controversial or even manipulative, it's important to approach it as a tool for understanding human nature rather than a rule book to control others. For me, the art of seduction is as much about self awareness as it is about others. It teaches you how to read people, adapt to situations, and enhance your own charm. So, if you are curious about the psychology of attraction and influence, you can grab your copy of The Art of Seduction through the link given down in the description, or you can even listen to it for free with an Amazon Audible trial. It's a captivating experience. So, what's your take on the art of persuasion? Do share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.